How to turn on or turn off text message send photo faster on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on messages app. After click on message app, click on this profile icon. Scroll down and click on message settings. After click on message settings, you will see here showing you send photo faster. If you want to turn off send photo faster, so turn off send photo faster, you will see send photo faster is turn off. If you want to turn on send photo faster, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see send photo faster is turn on. You will turn on or turn off send photo faster from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off text message send photo faster on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.